Kimberly, what are we doing at the stupid park anyway?
I'm glad you asked, and please don't call this amazing ecosystem stupid. Today we are going to be learning about ecology in Central Park, right here in New York.
And how are we going to be doing that?
Well, I'm glad you asked because we're going to be doing it through the power of Pokemon. Let's go! I want to be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To study them is my cause. I will travel across the park, searching far and wide. Each species to understand the importance on the ecosystem. Ecology, oh, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In the ecosystem we must defend. Species, we gotta catch them all. Let me so true about biodiversity will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach the class. Ecology, gotta catch them all. Every challenge along the way, with courage I will face. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place in my niche. Disruptions to the ecosystem, habitat loss is no better cause than human activity. On and on we will win the fight and take our land back from the invasive species. Ecology, oh, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In the ecosystem we must defend. Species, gotta catch them all. Let me show true our biodiversity will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach the class. Ecology, gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Yeah. Well, finally made it to Ferdinand Forest. Can't wait to see all the species I'll find.
This is Central Park, freak.
Oh, well, no matter where we are, we can still observe the beautiful nature all around us through ecology.
No one cares about ecology, nerd.
Ecology is like nature's own exciting puzzle game. It's about how all living things like plants, animals, and tiny microbes team up and interact with their surroundings, whether it's weather, soil, or even human interactions. Picture it as a giant web of connections, from the tiniest bug to the biggest tree. Scientists study these connections to figure out why things are the way they are and how they all fit together. There's all sorts of cool tools like biology, chemistry, and even math to solve the mysteries of nature. And the best part, understanding ecology helps us protect our planet's amazing biodiversity, keep ecosystems healthy, and tackle big problems like climate change. Anyways, I'm not going to become the best ecologist by explaining basic knowledge to some rude New Yorkers. It's time to go collect some species and learn about this ecosystem.
Wait, what'd you call them?
Each species has its own niche, which is like its job in the ecosystem. When two species have the same niche, it causes competition, and they both compete for the same food and habitats and that kind of stuff. One usually only gets to keep the niche, and the other one... Wait! I see our first species. Guys, I think it's time to fly. Did we get in the frame?
Yeah.
Who's that species? It's Canada goose. According to my Pokédex, the Canada goose is a primary consumer. Its diets consist of mainly berries, grass, and seeds, so it's a herbivore. Canadian geese mainly inhabit areas near lakes and ponds. It benefits the ecosystem by moving around seeds, adding nutrients to the environment, and serving as a predator and prey. However, it can have harmful effects on the environment as well. Since the geese often overgraze grass, it can lead to increased erosion. And since they poop a lot and all over the place, it takes away land from public use. And the high nitrogen contents affect the water by stealing oxygen from it. Anyways, it's time to continue on and find our next species. So let's go! Mommy. Oh! Just like our parents.
Who's that?
Species!
It's
Purple pore bracket! My Pokédex has it here that our next species is a fungi called the purple pore bracket. It's a decomposer and its diet consists of biomass from other organisms and, as we can see here, wood. It grows on dead conifer wood, so you can find it growing on a lot of trees. This fungi benefits the ecosystem by breaking down dead organisms and recycling chemical nutrients back into the ecosystem. However, it also harms the ecosystem by attacking hardwood interior, which decreases the strength of tree trunks and leads to increased tree rot and breakdown. Anyways, let's move on to the next species.
Wow, they really have everything over here, huh?
who's that?
Species!
It's a strawberry bush!
The Pokédex indicates that the species we found is a strawberry bush. Strawberry bushes are producers that occupy the first trophic level. Since they're photosynthetic and make their own food, the strawberry bushes need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the key reactants of photosynthesis. They grow best in slightly acidic soil, with exposure to high amounts of sunlight. Strawberry bushes are very beneficial to the ecosystem, as they attract pollinating insects like bees and butterflies, which also benefits other plants. They also convert the sun's energy into glucose and carbon dioxide to oxygen through photosynthesis, which benefits all organisms in higher trophic levels. We can't forget the yummy fruits it produces. Although they don't have any direct consequences on Central Park ecosystem, the strawberry industry has a very negative impact on the environment. Strawberry bushes require a lot of pesticides and high nitrogen fertilizers, which harm surrounding organisms and destroy soil. It also produces a high carbon footprint and uses a lot of plastic packaging. Okay, let's keep looking for our next species.
Native planting in progress. Please do not disturb. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Who's that?
Species!
It's
A squirrel! According to the Pokédex, it seems we caught an eastern gray squirrel. This squirrel is a secondary and tertiary consumer. It's an omnivore with a diverse diet, including nuts, seeds, fruits, plants, insects, frogs, and more. The squirrels inhabit mature forests, usually nesting in tall trees. They benefit the ecosystem by helping with seed dispersal and reforestation. The eastern gray squirrels are also an important predator, which makes them a keystone species. However, they outcompete smaller squirrels and birds for resources, decreasing biodiversity. And they also eat out of bird feeders, those little robbers. Sorry, I lost my cool. Time to go on and keep exploring.
This is a spider web. You can see some unlucky bugs or seeds got caught up in it. So that means I'm gonna get out of here because I don't want to see a spider. Are you thinking what I'm thinking right now?
Yeah, I could go for an ice cold drink right now.
No! Do you see this littering, this pollution? It's destroying the ecosystem. Some species is gonna eat it, it's gonna kill them, and then the genetic diversity is gonna go down, and then the whole ecosystem will be gone. Is that what you want?
No.
Is that what you want? Take that drink and eat it, huh?
I'm good.
See, why would you want an animal to do that then? Don't throw your, recycle! You know, you could have put that in a recycling bin, and then you know what would have happened to it? New glass would have been made, and an animal wouldn't have died.
Okay, ask what happened to his tail.
What happened to its tail?
Probably someone threw a glass bottle at it, or it got caught in some plastic, and then all its hair came off. Or it has a mutation. That's why you can't litter, huh? Okay, well that was fun, but time to go back to school. Wow, what a wild ride through Central Park. We've journeyed through the intricate web of life, from humble decomposers all the way up to majestic top predators, with a few pit stops to see the producers and primary consumers along the way as well. And with a few laughs and a lot of learning along the way. And hey, speaking of laughs, let's remember, human impact on the environment is not a joke, folks. So do your part, recycle, and let's keep our planet beautiful. But hey, enough with all that serious stuff. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for tagging along on this adventure. Together, we uncovered the hidden gems of ecology, discovering the delicate balance that keeps our world spinning. And if you're feeling a little emotional right now, don't worry. It's just the beauty of nature tugging at your heartstrings. So, as we wrap up this journey, I hope you're leaving with more than just memories. I hope you're leaving with a newfound appreciation for the incredible complexity and importance of our natural world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep loving this amazing planet we call home. See you on the next adventure, folks. Kimmy out.
Kimberly, you just look like an ecosystem just got destroyed. What? You're so upset that you don't even get my ecology joke?
Yeah, well, I was actually hoping I would see a dragon today.
Kimberly, this is New York. There isn't any dragons.
What?